In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a user in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently add new people to your Smartsheet account without any confusion. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet with an account that has the right permissions to manage users, typically an account level admin or someone with user management access. Once you're signed in, look toward the lower left corner of your Smartsheet window. You should see your profile icon. This might appear as your initials, a profile picture, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where you access account level settings and tools related to your profile and administration. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the option labeled User Management. Clicking this will open a new panel or page where you can see all the users currently associated with your Smartsheet account. This is the central place for controlling who has access, what roles they have, and how they interact with your organization's Smartsheet environment. Within the user management area, look for a button or link that says Import New Users. This option is designed to help you bring in multiple users more efficiently, rather than adding each person one at a time. Click on Import New Users to start the import process. Once you've clicked that, Smartsheet will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts may ask you to upload a file, such as a CSV, or to enter user information in a specific format. Take your time to read each instruction carefully. Make sure your list of users includes accurate email addresses and any required details so they can be properly added to the account. As you follow the prompts, you might have options to set default roles or permissions for the users you're importing, such as giving them licensed user status or assigning them to specific groups. Choose the settings that best match how you want these new users to work within your system. When you finish following all the on-screen instructions, Smartsheet will process the import. It's a good idea to quickly review the user management page afterward to confirm that the new users appear in the list and have the correct roles assigned. And that's all there is to it. By using the profile icon, opening user management, selecting import new users, and carefully following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly and reliably add new users to Smartsheet.